Hi for the culture. How are you? DW. Hello. Why are you talking about, oh my god? Why? Thank you for the finger hearts. Sorry, my sock. Thank you for following me. Thank you, Timmy.
Who are you? It's me. Are you still under his control?
What? Thank you, Timmy. Just ignore them other comments. Just pretend that's not there. Just pretend that's not there. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. I didn't think you were actually gonna do it. You could chill. Be with my family. See my siblings. Can everyone speak in full sentences and use punctuation? Cause like, y'all be making it hard for me. Yes, what are you doing, Miss Missy? Do you have any big plans? Oh yes, son. I know he's gonna be real happy. Shout out to everybody with kids. I know the shit be... It'd be wild having a mini-me. I wonder what my kids are gonna look like or how they're gonna act. They're probably gonna be bad as hell. Oh yes, enjoy your time off. Yeah, you said it's nuts. Yeah, y'all be scrambling, trying to get everything. It's so sweet though. You know, some of you know, some of you don't. I'm a family person. I love. Want everyone to be a big, happy family. It's not always like that. But, you know, I want shit to be like in the movies. Oh, yeah, he's starting to... Hey, look. When we were younger and we used to get socks and shit, we were like, oh my gosh, socks. Now that I'm older, give me some fucking socks. Shit, give me some underwear too. The fuck? That shit is valuable. Come home, the kids miss you. You have full custody. That's what you wanted. I won't be coming by. Give them the gifts. Yes, I am special needs. What is wrong with y'all? Like, this be your full-time job. Full-time job, mind you. But, alright. I'm not knocking your hustle. Freedom of speech. I'm about to block everybody. Everybody's getting blocked. I don't care if you didn't do nothing wrong. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Everything is fine. It's boring. It's just a cashier job. Thank you for following me. I be trying to shout everyone out, but... Hi, Tone. I'm good. How are you? I had some breakfast. 10 out of 10. This is the fit. Hi, how are you? Yeah, I just been yapping for real. And I'm watching Inuyasha. But, there's too many comments. Thank you, Brandon. Guys, I did hit the pen, but I'm trying to keep up with everything. Miss Missy, I hope so. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm caught up in the trying to make money part. I need to go back to the drawing board, start over, try something new. But thank you for asking. I'm gonna have to end the live for real, because, like, this shit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end the live. Brandon, thank you so much. That shit is not funny. None of this is funny. You know what? Thanks for being normal. Thanks for saying some normal shit. There was no people in here. I don't know where y'all be coming from. I'm a child of God. Yeah, everyone's crazy. I feel like no matter what, it always gets like this. Yes, precisely. Pokey, sharp, prickly, stabby, all that. Yeah, Tone, we do get tired of it. We do. I do appreciate the actual real conversations that happen, though. Usually they're pretty fun. Usually it's pretty fun. Un poquito español. No entiendo. I think what you said is really basic, though. Hi, thank you for the gifts. How are you doing? A kiss? No. Yeah, welcome to Earth. Y'all are animals. Savages. Animals. I just thought I'd let you know. I just wanted you to hear it from me first.